It seems interesting to me out there are so many of these really aggressive, these like lifestyle entrepreneurs who are trying to pump people up at 3 a.m. You've got to wake up. You've got to do 2 hours of meditation. Do they just have no context of the research behind sleep?
Correct. So it's very interesting when I come across these people, because I try to educate them, right? And so I say, look, I'll make this super simple for you. Take my quiz. And you're going to learn why you're having a failure rate of your clientele at probably 15 to 25%, because you're telling them to do something that they physiologically cannot do, right? They're going to fail at this and they're not going to continue with your program. And so here's the problem, dude. You've got a great message and you're telling it at the wrong time, right? And so if you could just tell it at a different time, you'd be able to get it further across. Another case study has been in business. So we have entire businesses that are chronotyping their entire business, right? So when it first came out, Dave Asprey over at Bulletproof is a dear friend. He's always supported all my research and work. He was like, this is awesome. Number one, Power of One is required reading for all Bulletproof coaches. But number two, he chronotyped the company, and then he would have creative meetings with the creative people when they were alert and focused, right? As opposed to times when they weren't, because they're mostly night owls. So having an 8 a.m. creative meeting didn't work too well, right? So things like that are where you can actually, utilize the science in a very unique way just for yourself.